Turkey, a country known for its interesting history, rich mix of cultures, incredible food, friendly people, and out-of-this-world natural sights. Recently, we spent 2 weeks exploring some of the best Turkish destinations. After enjoying the vibrant city of Istanbul and the magical region of Cappadocia, we headed to Pamukkale, another place that we had dreamt of visiting one day. This natural and historical site is located in southwestern Turkey. Nowadays, Pamukkale, which means Cotton Castle in Turkish, is a famous touristic spot where you can admire the unique travertine pools and visit the ancient ruins of Hierapolis. Subscribe to our channel to join us in our adventures. In this third episode of our Turkey travel series, we will share with you our itinerary and travel tips to experience Pamukkale in the best possible way. There are no direct flights from Cappadocia to Pamukkale, so we chose the night bus as the most straightforward option to do this journey. We bought our tickets in advance on the Flixbus website that partners in Turkey with the company Camilpark. The bus was clean but not very spacious, people were quiet, so we slept most of the time and barely noticed the tiring trip. After almost 10 hours, we reached Denizli bus station. Once there, you can get one of the minivans that bring tourists to Pamukkale or rent a car like we did. We chose Enterprise this time for the great reviews here. Plus, the possibility of dropping the car in any of their numerous offices, something essential to us as we were gonna continue the trip through the Turkish Riviera. Just a 15-minute drive and we were in our hotel in Pamukkale. In low season, you can get very affordable prices for nice hotels in the town next to the site. After our early check-in, we were very hungry, so we went to a nearby cafe to eat another yummy Turkish breakfast. The south or lower gate of the site was just a 5 minutes walk from our hotel. The entrance fee was included in the Turkey Museum Pass that we bought in Istanbul. Before entering into the travertine, you have to remove your shoes. This is to avoid erosion and also making it dirty. And also it's slippery. I'm ready. This place almost looks fake. Look at that ball. Woo! Oh my gosh! Whoa! Oh, it's so nice on the feet.
Is it slippery?
No, not really. It looks fake. You know, it looks like those when you go inside an expensive hotel and they have this big circle thing and there's water coming down. It looks like that, but this is natural. It's not really warm, but it's good for the temperature at the moment because the sun heat is very warm. It has like a sand, but I don't know if it's a sand. It almost feels like a wet flour. It's very soft. Whoa!
It's not slippery.
No. Look, there are natural pools behind you.
Wow. This is beautiful.
Though there are other entrances at the top of the site, we highly recommend the one we used to immerse yourself in the travertines immediately. This surreal landscape has been created due to the flowing of thermal spring water, which leaves behind a calcium carbonate mineral that eventually crystallizes forming these white travertine rocks. In a sunny day, it seems that you're really entering another world, one made of hard cotton or of snow that doesn't melt. Some of the hot springs can be accessed by the visitors, and you can feel the water getting warmer the higher you hike. Temperatures can even reach from 35 to 100 degrees. Just please don't climb to the upper terraces, as the authorities are trying to recover the best splendor of these natural pools after some decades of being overused. We heard some people complaining about many pools not having water, but we learned that keeping them with water will darken its color, so they need to get wet and dry constantly to maintain their pure white brightness. This natural wonder of the world needs a proper balance to shine at its best.
This place is surreal. It's like another world.
But it's so warm now. We are sweating a lot. Almost melting. But it's really worth it.
I cannot imagine how hot this place can be during summer, because it's already almost November.
The ancient archaeological site of Hierapolis is located on top of the Travertine pools. This city was built here by the Greeks in the 2nd century, mainly as a thermal spa and healing center due to the numerous hot springs in the area. Nowadays, the Cleopatra's antique pool still allows us to enjoy the benefits of these therapeutic waters. It is believed that the famous Egyptian queen loved to swim in this pool under the Temple of Apollo, whose fallen columns and stones are now inside the water. The access to the pool is not included in the main ticket, and it requires an extra 200 liras fee.
Going inside. Perfect. It's actually not too warm, not too cold. Perfect.
Mark Anthony!
It's really good. It's a little bit warm, perfect temperature. It's totally worth it. If you come here, it's a different experience. And those are Roman columns. Incredible.
There are other interesting ruins in this UNESCO World Heritage Site. The Ploutonion, the Temple of Hades, god of the underworld, is probably the most intriguing construction. Under it, we can admire the entrance to the cave once considered the gate of hell, from which lethal fumes of carbon dioxide still come out until this day. These toxic gases were used in rituals to sacrifice animals to the god. Don't miss the Roman theater built in the 2nd century AD by order of the Emperor Hadrian. Its seating sections could accommodate almost 15,000 spectators. This building has been magnificently restored in recent years, and it's absolutely impressive. Hierapolis is a huge site, and we didn't have enough time to visit all its ancient buildings. Sunset was approaching and we didn't want to miss it. Chanu found the travertine pools with the best reflections to use as mirrors for the sky. It was a little bit overcast, but we had beautiful colors at the end. Though we couldn't bring our drone to Turkey, these Storyblocks videos are great to show you Pamukkale from the sky.
You watch the world from the place beneath the willow. So many years, too many tears on your pillow.
We will never forget our day in this astonishing place. On our way to the restaurant, we had to stop to try this pomegranate juice.
Enjoying?
Thank you so much.
I love it.
Ooh, so rare. And only 50 lira. It's usually 3 times that price. And look, all fresh.
We chose this local place for dinner, and the food was super tasty. There was only one lady cooking, washing the dishes, and serving. But there is nothing like real mom's food quality.
Do you like it?
I love it. This is really like mom's food.
Highly recommend it.
This time, we didn't wake up for sunrise, as we were extremely tired after the long night bus ride, plus the whole day visiting Pamukkale. But if you want to do a balloon ride for only 50 euros per person, they also fly over here. That ends our third episode of our Turkey travel series. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please subscribe to our channel to support us and to follow our adventures. Don't miss our next episodes because we will show you more breathtaking and wonderful places in Turkey. Next stops, the archaeological site of Ephesus, the charming town of Sirince, and the interesting city of Seljuk. Thank you so much for joining us, and please don't forget to like this video. Until next time, keep exploring, rain or shine.